Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a great day and welcome to my channel. And if you guys are new to this channel, then be sure to like and subscribe and notification on to get notified for our new videos. So be sure to subscribe and notification on to get notified when our new video releases. And let's start today's video without any further ado. And in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to fix your WhatsApp number is banned. So this problem occurs if you do some things in WhatsApp and your account gets banned. Now remember, this technique doesn't apply to everybody. The technique which I'm going to be showing you can unban you, but only for some people. If you have done some very bad stuff on WhatsApp or like violated their community guideline, then your account is permanently banned. So this thing, but it might not work for somebody. So yeah, so once you get this notice where it says your WhatsApp number is banned, you can click on support. And once you click on support, it's going to take you to contact us, and over here describe your problems. So we're going to describe our problem is, and after you type this, you can click on next. And after you click on next, this is gonna pop up. Now over here, click on this doesn't answers my question, and after you click on it, it's gonna take you to your email. So just click on it and click on Gmail over here. Now it's gonna take you to your email. Now what this is gonna do is this is gonna send this report over here to WhatsApp. So like the staff of WhatsApp will view it and they will try to fix it from their point of view. That's why I'm telling it. If your account is permanently banned for some things you have done, then this technique won't work, because the staff from WhatsApp will view it and they'll try to fix this problem, because we cannot fix this problem from setting. You have to contact WhatsApp support. If some website says like they can unban your account, just enter your ID, your WhatsApp ID and other stuff over here. Don't trust them. They're just trying to scam you and take your information. This is the only legit way. And after coming here, you can click on this arrow button and send the email. And after sending an email, wait for 3 or 4 hours, or for the maximum wait for 2 days, and after that WhatsApp team will send you an email, and on that email they will tell you if they have decided to unban it or ban your account. If you guys receive the email where it says we have unbanned your account, you can log into your WhatsApp account normally. So that's basically it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next, and I'll be signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Bye bye and peace out.